Assalamu alaikum sir, welcome to my presentation. The slide shows designation of my course teacher. Now my presentation topic name T-cells. Content classification of T-cells, functions of T-cells, functions of macrophage and NK cells, short note of plasma cell and memory cells. Let's see the classification of T-cells. There are three main types of T-cells. They are cytotoxic T-cell, helper T-cell, regulatory T-cells. Here are the picture of cytotoxic T-cell, helper T-cell in the middle, and last are regulatory T-cells. Functions of each T-cells. Cytotoxic T-cells. Cytotoxic T-cell activity destroy infected cells through the use of granule sac that contain digestive enzymes. Helper T-cells. They cooperate with B cells. They also activate macrophage and inflammation. Regulatory T-cells. Their cells support hair growth, regulates insulin response by fatty tissues, helps with lung tissue repair. Here are the diagram of helper T-cell, cytotoxic T-cell and regulatory T-cell. Functions of macrophage and NK cells. Macrophage repairs tissue and improves electrical signaling in the heart, removes unneeded synapses in the brain, helps to regulate body heat and to recycle iron. Natural killer T-cells quickly destroy cells and virally infected cells, release growth factors and other signals that direct the remodeling of blood vessels in the uterus during pregnancy. Short notes of plasma cell. Definition: a type of immune cell that makes large amounts of specific antibody. Plasma cell develop from B cells that have been activated. A plasma cell is a type of white blood cell. Some functions of plasma cells: provide a binding site for enzymes, contains the cytoplasm, communicates with other cells, regulates a biochemical reaction. Here the diagram shows a plasma cell. Here plasma cell secretion antibodies. Short note of memory cell. This is the last topic of my presentation. Mammal T-cells remain after the pathogen have been killed to stop reinfection. Helper T-cell and cytotoxic T-cells can become mammal T-cells. Mammal T-cells are stored in the lymph nodes and spleen, and many provide lifetime protection against a specific antibody in some cases. The diagram shows mammal T-cell. Here naive T-cell goes effector T-cell, and then effector T-cell goes effector mammal T-cell. At last central memory T-cell goes effector memory T-cells. This is the diagram of mammal T-cells. And that's all about from me. Thank you, sir.